EDC pocket dump update. DC, whatever you want to call it. EDC, what I got in my pockets. I have a lot, so. First off, tactical pen. Used to have a light, took the batteries out. It's also a pen, and it has some tools in it. Not the greatest, as you can tell. But it has bottle opener, screwdriver, Milwaukee pen light, Gerber 06, missing the tip, glasses cleaner on my Fitbit, glasses repair kit, keys, what's this? That's trash. Gerber shard, Gerber shard. Yeah, pry bar. You're not helping, light. Yeah, pry bar, bottle opener, Phillips, flathead, the basics. Gerber dime, little multi-tool. A pack of gum. My wallet. My G6. And what did you do? My Gerber suspension. I have this one in this pocket down here. Let's see. So suspension in this pocket. My cloth. Eyeglass fixer. Fitbit. Keys. Gerber dime and Gerber shard. Shard, yeah. No, wait a minute, wrong one. Gerber 06 pocket knife. Milwaukee pen light. Milwaukee pen light. It's got 100 looms. It is waterproof and dustproof. It's high beam. High beam, 100 looms, 3 hours of power, 43 meters beam distance. It requires 2 AAAs. I thought it was double A's. Tactical pen, I can't think of the name of it. Gum goes in my back pocket. Wallet goes in my back pocket. And I don't carry much. I'm setting up a backpack for hiking. So if you have any suggestions of what I should put in my hiking backpack, I'll leave it down in the comments. Thanks.